How to repair a resin fountain. Resin-cast miniature fountains are a piece of indoor/outdoor decor whose textures, miniature shapes and statuettes imitate the appearance of more expensive materials while remaining lightweight and generally inexpensive. Another advantage of resin fountain pieces is that they are relatively easy to repair and rebuild yourself using commercially available resin craft products, whether you're fixing a crack or fabricating a replacement for a broken-off piece. Things you'll need: acrylic paint, quick-set epoxy resin, disposable container, disposable craft stick, epoxy putty, disposable gloves. Wash and dry the fountain thoroughly. Remove any detachable fountain mechanisms and set aside, leaving only the resin pieces, if possible. Create a paint color to match that of the fountain or get as close as you can. This may take some time and some trial and error experimenting. If the resin of the fountain has multiple colors in the area you're fixing, use the background color or predominant color. See resources for a color mixing guide. Mix the casting resin in a disposable container according to the manufacturer's instructions. Stir the mixture with a disposable stick until it turns cloudy. Mix in some of the paint at a ratio of about 3 parts resin to 1 part paint. Use the resin to repair cracks and fill holes in the fountain. When making repairs, use the resin as a glue, holding the pieces in place until the epoxy sets up. Fill holes by spreading resin into them and then smoothing away excess resin. Mix the epoxy putty according to the manufacturer's instructions. Wear disposable gloves while handling and working with it. Rebuild broken sections of the resin fountain. Sculpt with the epoxy putty as you would clay, building the new pieces directly onto the fountain. Let harden. It will have the same texture as the resin of the sculpture. Paint the epoxy putty to blend its color with that of the fountain.